Part 2 of cleaning up these damn storm windows to get them painted. Yeah, can you notice something different? I thought that I had another storm window that would fit the one that I took the AC out of. Yeah, it is clearly smaller than the rest of them. Holy shit. Well, I guess I didn't have the right size. I have about 4 of those little ones. So fuck it, we're gonna have to fabricate that and do the best we can. But for now, we need to get these fucking things cleaned up so that I can paint them and get them back on the damn house. So this is the fun part. We get to scrape off maybe 20 plus years of grime and silicone and shit off of these things. Yeah, buddy, this was a great day to be alive. Let me tell you what, I enjoyed this thoroughly. Yeah, but they do look a lot better when they're done. So this is a necessary evil in order to get them ready to paint. You know, the paint's not going to stick to a bunch of shit, and it's just going to look a lot better if I put in this work and get this shit done now versus just being lazy and trying to fucking do it half-assed. Look at them. They already look a lot better. Yeah, buddy, you can see the reflection in them. You can see me walking by them. Yeah, buddy, I got to make sure that I remember which ones go where. That's the important thing, so that I don't fuck them up and the holes are all still the same. Now we got to clean up these window jams and get all this shit all purdy. Window sills, window jam, I don't fucking know. We got to clean it up either way you look at it. There's a lot of years of grime and shit in here. I'm battling fucking horseflies. The horseflies were eating me up today. Holy shit. I had to take numerous breaks to grab some yarrow, which is great bug repellent, for about fucking 30 minutes before it stops working, and then the horseflies start eating you up again. But it worked, and I got all these fucking things cleaned up, and cleaned up enough and ready for some paint, because some of them just need paint in here to just get rid of all that shit. Especially under here, this little awning was never really finished. It's just there to make sure that the AC didn't get all the snow and everything on it in the wintertime, and all the rain stayed off of it, etc. So I'm trying to make this shit look as good as I can, baby. This first coat of primer is on there and looking good, but I'm gonna probably have to put maybe 2 more coats of primer at least, and a coat or 2 of paint on there, because this bare wood here it soaks this shit right up.